Hey guys, so started building a new drone. This is a 5-inch. This is the SpeedyBee, I think it's the Mario Pro. Don't know. I'll have to check it out. I'll put it in the description. Started putting it up. I've been spending about 2 hours on it now. Got the GPS mounted, the antennas, the video system in the back, receivers there. I put the antenna in the front. They say to put it in the back right there. I put it in the front just to get some separation. The camera's there. It's not mounted yet, but it's there. I still have to put all the motors in, the flight controller. Flight controllers are right there. Emax motors are right there. A couple more hours, I think. It's together. It's already been flashed. The flight controller's been flashed. I did that earlier as soon as I got it. It's pretty simple. It's right here. I just plugged it in my computer and just flashed it. I basically copied everything from my other SpeedyBee. Copied the OSD, copied everything, identical. So it's going to be basically the same setup. Can't wait to try it. And it's coming along. So far so good. It's a fun build. Wish the instructions were a little bit more complete. That's okay. And also I wish they would have come with dual antenna mounts, because I took this off one of my airplanes. And SpeedyBee doesn't come with it. I found this, somebody online did that, so I just downloaded it and printed it with my 3D printer in TPU. So it seems to work fine. We'll see. Put the GPS. I was going to use the magnetometer. I'm not going to use it though. Really, the other one doesn't. My other plane or my other quad doesn't have it, and it works perfectly well. I'm going to do the same thing. Just keep this really simple build. What I did is to keep my my video system cool. Got a bunch of these. Is a little 15-minute heat sinks. They just make 4 of them right on top like that. And if you put the top frame on, it's just imagine this goes like that, or however it goes. I think it actually goes this way. Hold on, stand by. Goes like that. So the top frame goes there. You can see all the clearance I have underneath. Plenty to put those heat sinks. Keep everything nice and cool. So I'm going to put that on. And that's it. Anyways, I'm just tinkering with it. Having fun. It's my first time building one of these. Anyways, I'll keep you guys up to date. Thanks. Okay, well, I've flown this thing for a little while. This is the Flywoo LR4. Great little drone. So you see I put the copper all the way around here, and that really makes a difference in the satellites. But I decided to build my own. So I got the SpeedyBee kit, the Mario 5, I believe it is. Really nice. Got the Eco motors on it. I've been running it on 3 and 4S. Flies beautifully. HD LRC hammer antennas. It's got the SpeedyBee stack, 55 amp. I think it's the V4, something like that. It's got in the back here, what's it called again? The wax nail avatar. It's the HD Pro with 32, I think it's gigabytes of memory. I don't use that anyway. I only post the videos from my DVR. What it's got back here, it's got 2.4 gigahertz. If you see, I put a little heatsink at the bottom. This works really well. Got a couple of LEDs in the back. I just have them on the color blue. It's really bright. Holy cow, it's bright. One thing is, I can't figure out how to get it to work with Betaflight. It works with the onboard control, you know, so you can just push the button, you can change different colors and stuff. I really like the blue one. But I've tried everything and everything on the Betaflight. I can't get it to control it. I don't know why. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Maybe if somebody knows, they can let me know in the comments or send me a DM. But besides that, what else? These are HQ props. I believe they're 5.4, 3.33, something like that. Anyways, I just ordered a bunch of them today. I received them. Pretty easy to build. Considering it's my first build. I had to redo a few things a few times. Also, I noticed with the avatar unit, when I would land, like just landing on grass or something, I had no issue. But as soon as I go on a hard, like a concrete surface and I land, I lose video signal. I had this thing apart, I'd say at least 20, 30 times. Completely stripped down. At one point I completely stripped it down and resoldered every connection on here. Figured it was something with my soldering. Tried anything and everything. I even changed antennas. This is a brand new set of antennae. I had an older set I put on here. tried that at one point. Hey, it worked. I figured it out. It's my antennas. Put the original Walksnail antennas on. And then I landed and boom, it didn't work. So what I did is I picked it up. I started tapping on the bottom of the frame. And when I started tapping on the frame with the motors running, all of a sudden I would lose a signal. And then I tried something else, resoldered this and that. Same thing, I would bang on the bottom of the frame around the middle where the flight stack is, and boom, the signal would go out. So I said, okay, it's something with my solder connections. They're cold solder joint. I don't know if you can see it here. Here's the middle hole. See right here? They're soldered right to the board. I figured that's my problem. Maybe it's the connector here. Tried it, hey, it worked fine. I was gonna tap on it a little harder, it still went out. So I took it right, I unplugged where the DJI connection is, back here, and I soldered right on the board. Same thing, tried everything. So what I finally ended up doing that worked, is I took the main power cable off, and this is some capped on tape. I soldered the main power cable for the video right on the main power for the battery. Completely solved the issue. I don't know what it is. Maybe there's something wrong with my board, but it keeps losing power when you're landing hard. So I don't want to take a chance and lose it in flight. So just by soldering right on there, that solved my issue, and it's going to stay like that. I don't have to go around the board. I really don't care. Anyways, this is how I mounted the stack. I don't know if I'm doing it right. So I have to, let me see if I can zoom in. So you see like the yellow base. I put those plastic nuts. Then I put the speed controller. And then right on top of that is the flight controller with those 5mm nuts that go on top. I'm assuming that's correct because it's not really clear in the instruction manual. I can't really find anything. So anyways, guys, if you see I'm doing something wrong, let me know. I ordered a Fly battery locator. Right now it's got a beeper in the front here. I don't know if you can see it. There's one right. Let me see if I can zoom in. Get my finger out of the way. I don't know if you can see that. There's a beeper in there. I'm going to remove that. I'm going to get the Wi-Fi and put it in there. So in case something happens, if the battery gets disconnected or something, at least I have the battery backup of that thing. And we'll see how it goes. But this thing, it flies beautifully. For my first quad build, it's perfect. I dial down everything on it, and I only fly not acro, but in angle mode. Because look, I'm a newbie to this, but it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. I think I'm gonna build another one without the GPS this time, and just for putzing around like under trees and stuff. But I'm really having a good time with this thing. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.